A new style of miniature ASMR videos is quietly taking over social media right now, and many creators are getting millions of views and making thousands of dollars just by posting these short, insanely satisfying clips. These tiny disaster and rescue videos are keeping people hooked for hours because the visuals feel so realistic and addictive to watch. And the best part? They're actually being made with free AI tools in just a few minutes. So, if you want to create these viral miniature ASMR videos yourself, this video is for you. I'm going to show you the exact step-by-step method to make them from scratch using completely free AI tools. First, open ChatGPT. Once you've opened ChatGPT, go to the docs file and copy the entire master template prompt. After copying it, paste the prompt into the ChatGPT prompt box and click Generate. Now you'll see ChatGPT create 10 different video ideas for you. All you need to do is select any idea you like, paste it back into the prompt box, and click Generate again. This time, ChatGPT will create a detailed video prompt for you automatically. Now open Google Flow AI and start a new project. In the AI Models menu, select the Omni Flesh model. After that, set the image size to 9:16 and keep the number of generations set to 1. Then paste the video prompt into the prompt box and click Generate. Within a few seconds, Flow AI will start generating your video and your first clip will be ready. To help you understand the process better, I'll select another idea from the list and paste it into ChatGPT again. Once again, ChatGPT will generate a brand new video prompt for me. Now simply copy that video prompt, paste it into the Flow AI prompt box, and click Generate. In just a few seconds, your next video clip will be ready as well. The process is very simple and repeatable. Just choose any idea from a list, paste it into ChatGPT, let ChatGPT create a video prompt for you, and then copy that prompt into Flow AI to generate the video automatically. You can repeat this process again and again to create unlimited videos quickly and easily. Once all your clips are generated, open CapCut, import your clips, add some soft background music, and export the final video in 4K quality. And that's it. Your video is now ready to upload and post online. If you enjoyed this tutorial and found it helpful, make sure to subscribe to my channel and like this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial very soon.